Let me ask you something honestly. Why does being single as a teenager, especially if you are a boy, feels wrong? Not neutral, not peaceful, but something feels like missing. Like you are behind in life. And the moment you see your friends in relationships or couple holding hands on Instagram, that quiet thought hits you again. I need to be in a relationship. So I'm telling this story with a boy's perspective. So imagine karo there's a boy, he's 16, 17 or 19 maybe. He jokes around studies and scrolls late at night. On the outside he is normal, but अंदर ही अंदर उसके दिल में बहुत बेचैनी रहती है. Not because he met the one, but because he feels left out. He doesn't even know who he wants. He just knows that he doesn't want to be alone. And if you are watching this video, you probably might be that boy. And I have a confession to make. I used to be one of them. तो अगर तुम वीडियो में यहाँ पर तक पहुंच गए हो, so let's talk about the real problem. So externally, everything around teenage boys screams one message: get a girlfriend. Movies make love look like success. Friends make relationship look like a status. Social media turns couple into content, and slowly being single stops feeling normal. And internally, something worse happens, and you start questioning yourself: am I not attractive? Am I not good enough? Why does everyone have someone? And without you realizing it, your self-worth depends on someone choosing you. But here's the question that nobody asks: since when did being loved by someone becomes the proof that you are valuable? Think about it. You are worthy as a child without a relationship. You had dreams, curiosity, energy. So why does teenage life convince boys that love is something that you must earn through romance? That belief is the real problem. And again, I'm not here to shame you. I've felt the surges, that emptiness, that constant comparison. So hear me out clearly. Wanting connection is human. Craving love is natural. But needing a relationship to feel whole, that comes from insecurity, not love. And insecurity makes people settle, beg, and lose themselves. Now you might be wondering कि अब करे तो करे क्या? So here's the plan. Stop treating relationship like an achievement. A girlfriend is not a proof of success. Build a life you are proud of being alone in. Learn skills, get stronger, chase curiosity. Learn to sit with loneliness without running from it. Because loneliness teaches you who you really are. And if you don't do these things, there might be a possibility that you enter a relationship out of fear, stay in them out of insecurity, and tolerate disrespect just not to be alone. And this hurts more than being single. When you stop needing a relationship, something changes. You become calm, confident, selective, and that's when relationship becomes beautiful. Because there's a choice, not an escape. So if you are still single, you are not behind. You are being prepared. And trust me, the best relationship comes when you are already complete. And I'm also on my way to find that. And yeah, I am still single and I have made peace with that. And you should too. So if this helped you, share it with someone who needs it. You are not weak for feeling this. You are just growing. And subscribe for more of this content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.